Today on the bench we have a key fob from a Subaru, I don't remember which one. Let's see, it came to me already disassembled, which I appreciate. That'll save me a whole minute. Customer states, fob doesn't work, tried to replace the battery, so I disassembled it, couldn't find the proper battery and lost one button. Test it, clean it, and if you can find the missing button, please replace it. If you can't find a button for it, I only need unlock function to work. Which makes sense, because you can always lock the car when you leave with the button in the door. A little less so when from the outside, then you need to use the actual key and then unlock it for everyone else to get in. Alright, let's see. I see only two buttons. Oh, there's the third one. Alright, and the fourth one is missing. Alright, let's get to it. Okay. Ticket number, tester. Alright, so I do have replacement batteries for these, but first let's see if this battery is any good. 2.9 volts. That makes the battery good, or at least the fob should be working, which means the fob is damaged. So the battery was not your problem. In that case, first, so I doubt there was a short circuit, short to ground or whatever, because that would have drained the battery. But let's check it first. There you are. Actually, let's get the scope only. Let's see. No short. No short. In that case, let's put it in the board holder from this side, and let's do a quick rundown of components that usually short on this, which are capacitors. So let's just randomly test. Is that a capacitor or is that a 0 ohm resistor? It does not look like a capacitor. So it's either a 0 ohm resistor or a fuse. And actually, let's see its resistance. It's 2.5 ohms, so that's a resistor. So this is good. Let's flip it. And what do we have here? And let's go back to the beeping. Oh my god, how shaky my hands are today. Okay, all this is good. There's another cup over here. Yeah, I should be lying in bed, not doing this. I think I might be running a slight fever. Oh my god, shaky hands, shaky hands. Okay, so I don't see any shorts, open lines, and let's see the buttons. I'll definitely give it an ultrasonic cleaning. Sometimes it's the buttons themselves that don't work. Because this chip, this is, I assume, a microcontroller. I can never find data sheet for any of these chips, so I assume that's a microcontroller. There's not much that can break when your power supply is 3 volts. So they usually don't break. Now let's see. Let's get a little piece of tape, electric tape, and I'm gonna put it over here. Then let's get some alligators or crocodiles. I'm not sure which one. So the positive goes here. This and negative here. Zero drawn. I got 2.5 volts, which is fine. Now let's turn on the tester and see if it. Oh yeah, it's working. Yep, the red LED lights up. So the battery's good and the circuitry seems to be good. So why was it not working? Why would it not work? Let's get maybe some more light. Let's switch the scope. This might be the issue with it, most likely. Which means, let's see. So these two thingies. Right. Okay, so this guy and this guy fall into these two holes, and it looks like the tin is off, and likely there's no good connection here, and that's probably why the fob wasn't working. So let's set it to 320. We're gonna need the wick, we're gonna need the solder, and we're gonna need a, let's get NC flags. I don't think we need activated flags for this guy. Let's clamp it well. Let's flux it up. There. Let's get a solder. Oh, fume extractor. I always forget about fume extractor, and that's not good. Maybe that's why I've coughed today and a sore throat. Okay, so it's not too loud. Let's get it up to 50. I need to cut the wick. Let's cut the wick. It's a nice tin. It should survive for another 10 years. And now let's get some nice Q-tip. And a bit of alcohol. Okay, at least now it's not going to be oxidizing, because it was just a layer of copper exposed, and obviously that's going to oxidize, form what is it, copper oxide or some oxide that is not conductive. Beauty. Now, okay, let it dry. And let's get a new battery. That is, oh my god, which one is it? 1616. 1616. Okay, so that's 1616. Yeah. The revolts. Opens like a medicine back in the day. Okay, before I put it in the cleaner, let's reassemble it and see if it works. There. It only fits one position. Okay, that should be okay for now. And like this. Alright, and now tester. Yep. There you go. Alright. So, your problem was just that oxidation, which happens after decades of use, obviously. Okay. And let's disassemble. And in the ultrasonic cleaner you go. And then reassemble. I'll probably clean this as well. Oh my god, that key looks so worn. It must have been years. Yeah, I'll clean this too. But does it work even? It should be the same on both sides, and one side is extremely worn. Just realized you can see that on the here. So, and this side is worn a lot. Here, yeah. No wonder you need a remote, because this is probably really frustrating to use this key to open the lock. I know the feeling. Alright, that should conclude, well, other than the ultrasonic cleaning, but I don't want to expose you guys to the sound of a cheap Chinese ultrasonic cleaner, so we'll end the video here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.